Testing out the little brush. And there you go. Don't get much cuter than that. They are cute. There they are. A ram lamb and a ewe lamb. It's two lambs cuddled together. Just enjoying the moment. And there you go. That's nice. Eight pigs. We're gonna see if we can raise some of these pigs in the woods. We have a spot in the corner of our field here that we're going to be putting these pigs in later. We just have to do some more work on the gates and stuff over there, and a couple more insulators to put on for the fence over there. So a couple little kid goats today. So that goat is one was born last spring herself. So looks like two little kids is doing fine. So hopefully mom will get up and feed them here in a little bit.